I will introduce myself. My name is Rima Rafiko and my partner.
My name is Tika Agustina.
Okay, today we will share about Gallery of Bengkulu Province. Many things are interest of Bengkulu about general information such history of Bengkulu, lifestyle, and place of interest of Bengkulu like historic place and place famous there. Also share about traditional custom, dance, and music. And then my friend first present about Bengkulu.
Okay, first I would like to explain about the history of Bengkulu. You can look at the laptop. This is a picture of Bengkulu. Okay, Bengkulu, also known as Sulawesi Sumatra, is a province of Indonesia. It is on the southeast coast of the island of Sumatra and borders the provinces of West Sumatra, Jambi, South Sumatra, and Lampung. It was formerly the site of a British garrison, which they called Ben Solid. The province also includes Enggano Island. The Bengkulu are descended from the union of multiple ethnic groups who had migrated to the area, including the Malay, Minangkabau, Acehnese, Bugis, Banten, and Java.
Bengkulu have lifestyle which is interesting. Bengkulu people is Malay culture. They have tradition. Their traditional name is Ritual of Tabut Bengkulu. The ritual of Tabut is part of Bengkulu people tradition to memorize the tragical event of the death of the grandson of the Prophet Muhammad Hussein bin Ali bin Abi Talib in the battle versus the troop of Ubaidillah bin Zain in Karbala, Iraq on 10 Muharram 61 Hijriah 6981 CE. Okay, this is some feature about Festival of Tabut. Is it night of Tabut descending? Tabut festival in Bengkulu. There's people to party is night of Tabut descending. Yes.
Okay, now the traditional dance that Bengkulu people have are many kinds. The local dancing contest in one among many events that takes place on Tabut Festival in Bengkulu, Indonesia. This contest is joined by many Bengkulu dance group. You can look like that. You can see in the picture. Okay. The theme of the dance performed by this group in this contest is related to the Tabut ceremony. The dancing were ornamented with the amazing Bengkulu percussion music. The dol as its music background. Dol is traditional music instrument from Bengkulu, Indonesia. It is a typical of percussion instrument which shaped like a big drum. Dol is made of wood which is pierced in the middle and then covered with cow husks. Its diameter is about 70 until 125 centimeter and its bearer efficiency has 5 centimeter in diameter and 30 centimeter in length. The way of using it is by leaving it. You can see in the top, this is a picture of dol, the traditional music instrument from Bengkulu, Indonesia.
Okay, you can look this picture about traditional custom. Bengkulu have traditional custom. There are wedding party which is beautiful. They have tourism about scenery such as Long Beach. I'm sorry, there are wedding party which is beautiful. And then next, this tourism in Bengkulu. Bengkulu, there's scenery like Long Beach, Pasir Putih Beach, and Pasir Putih Beach, Pulau Tikus, Dendam Tak Sudah Lake, Tapak Padri, and Zakat Beach. Hujan Tropis Park, Berbulu Sebelat Park, and then many things in this tourism about in the Bengkulu province. And then this historic place in Bengkulu like Benteng Marlborough, Rumah Pengasingan Bung Karno, Sentot Ali Bashar Grapes. You can see the laptop, the historic place in Bengkulu province. The next, these things of interest in Bengkulu, like 11 Training Center, Rafflesia Arnoldi, Bunga Kibut, and Anggrek Arvanda Horkeriana. You can see the picture.
Finally, there are a variety of special dishes from Bengkulu, Sumatra. The people on this region has been known since the days of old with their spirituality culinary, like bagar shark. This is a shark fish curry, bagar goat, sambal tempoyak, ikan pais. This is a local call it pendap. Also a variety of pastries that have been known the many places such as lempuk durian, perut tunai, cucur cake, gendum son cake, wan cake, tet cake, lamai, and the others. In celebration of eat variety or the special food, and living dishes for guests who come to visit their home in the familiar atmosphere. Guests are often tempted to take them as souvenirs to be brought home. From a variety of special food, this is often made by the Bengkulu people. The guests who visit this place always bring the pendap paste fish for souvenir special food, which is derived from fish as the base ingredients. You can look the picture from the traditional food. Okay. There are so many food that delicious in Bengkulu.
Okay, this our presentation and any question about Bengkulu province. Okay. What are the famous things in Bengkulu?
Okay, thank you for your question. The famous things are in Bengkulu are Rafflesia Arnoldi and Elephant Training Center. In Elephant Training Center, you can look the elephant that they serve and train like human. And in some park, national park in Bengkulu, you can see the Rafflesia Arnoldi. This is the famous flower, I think in Indonesia.
And other question?
What is the mayoritas of ethnic in Bengkulu?
Okay, thank you for your question. The ethnic in Bengkulu, the mayoritas is Malay culture, because there in Bengkulu, the people to do a ritual of Tabo. This culture of Malay culture. Yeah, I think that's this very interesting because many people like do the party of Tabor ritual because this belief in their about ritual of Tabor. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, are there any additions?
Okay, well, your presentation is good. I think that Bengkulu is the interesting thing I want to go. And well, when I hear Rafflesia Arnoldi, in my mind, well, this is a flower, right?
Yeah.
But it has bad smell. So I'm so curious so I want to look it with myself. Okay, and then I hear that you will say, what is that? Sambal tempoyak, right? Well, I think that there are so many durians in there. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. What? I think this so wonderful city. I want to go. That's all for me.
Thank you for your addition.
I think same with you. There's very many things. It's interesting in Bengkulu. Yeah.
Maybe someday we can go together and see the glacier together, and maybe eat tempoyak something like that.
We can taste the sambal tempoyak together. Well, I hope that.
Okay, this is the end of our explanation. If you want to get more information, you can visit this link.
That
You
is
can see in the laptop.
Bengkulu Link website. If you know more link about Indonesia tourism, please send mail to webmaster.
And we have another video about the tradition, one of the tradition in Bengkulu. So you can watch together.
Yeah.
And
Happy watching.
thank you very much for your attention.
Okay. Goodbye.
Guys, good morning. Welcome to Bengkulu, Indonesia. With me, Lina Triastuti. As you can see now, I'm standing on the Fort Malabro. This fort are a fort that built in 1817 in the leadership of General Joseph Collet from England. Oh, by the way, you know that the workers who built this fort came from India, and they also brought a fascinating festival. We called it Tabot, which means a wooden box. And surprise! Today is the final day of the festival. Because actually, this festival is held within 10 days from Muharram 1st until 10 in Muslim calendar. Okay, I will tell you a little story about Tabot. Tabot is actually a religious festival in Bengkulu. It is held to memorize the death of Hassan and Hussein, the grandson of Prophet Muhammad, who died in the Battle of Karbala. Now, come on, follow me. I'll show you the Tabot. Again, and now I'm standing in the Tabot. This is what we call Tabot. Is it beautiful, isn't it? Okay, beside this one, you will look the other Tabot, and all of them have a beautiful size, and actually they have approximately 8 meters in height. Okay, all of the Tabot are in line because they will be judged for Tabot competition, and the winner will get the structural point of the Tabot. You can see that there are a lot of and there's so many ornaments. Okay guys, the Tabot are marching down through the city center of Bengkulu, Jalan Suprapto, and they are leading to the Karbala graveyard in Muntebek, Bengkulu. Okay guys, now I'm in the Karbala graveyard in front of the holy grave of Sheikh Burhanuddin, the one who bring Tabot festival to Bengkulu. And as you know that the top of the Tabot will be put on this grave. Now let's find people's opinion about Tabot itself. Okay, follow me. What is your opinion about Tabot itself?
Well, it's really wonderful. It's really wonderful.
Yeah.
I love it.
Oh, do you visiting it or seeing it every year?
Yeah, I never forget to say it. I think, yeah,
It is fun.
I will come to this event next year again.
Okay, thank you sir for it. Okay guys, I think this is all the end of the procession. It's very nice to accompany you from this morning, and I wait for you to come to Bengkulu in Visit Indonesia 2008. And I will introduce the crew for you. This is all of them.